Next in CSS, we are going to work with animation. So this is our basic HTML code, and here within body section, this is our paragraph tag, and within this tag, this is our text, and here within head section, this is our style tag, and within style tag, we are giving formatting for paragraph element. So I want that border should be 1 pixel solid black. Width of element should be, I'm giving here 200 pixel. Height is also 200 pixel. Background color we are selecting is Dodger blue. Border radius here we are giving is 50%. Color of text, we want this to be this blue, and text align to be in center. Save and go live. So this is our text which was written within paragraph section, and we have given border of 50%, so this is in the form of circle. Color is Dodger blue. Now to give animation, to use animation, we have to use attribute animation name. Here we can give any name. Here I am giving 1. Now to give animation, we have to use keyframes. So at the rate keyframes, and here we have to give animation name after it. Animation name here is 1, so we have to put 1 here. Now we want that this paragraph's background color should change from Dodger blue to orange. So here we have to give from. We need to change the background color. So background color we have to put here. Right now we have background color of Dodger blue. So here we have to put Dodger blue. From Dodger blue we want to change it to orange. So we have to give 2 here, and background color to orange. We are selecting this. Save it. Now this animation is not will not work right now because we haven't given animation duration. So here in paragraph we have to give animation. We have already given animation name, and here we have to give animation duration, and here we are putting is 5 seconds. So this animation duration defines the given time to animation, and if we are not giving any time here, it is 0 seconds. Now save it and go live. So within the period of 5 seconds, it is going to convert Dodger blue background color to red. Now next we want that animation shouldn't start immediately. It should wait for 2 to 3 seconds or whatever seconds we specify, and after that it should start changing color. So for that we are using property of animation delay, which specifies the time animation is going to take to start. So here we are giving animation delay, and here I'm giving 5 seconds. So this animation is going to take 5 seconds to change the color from Dodger blue to red. Save and go live. It hasn't started changing color. Now it has started changing the color. This is animation delay. Next, we want that its shape should change from circle to square. So here we have given in this border radius is 50%. So here we are mentioning border radius from 50%. We want square shape. So border radius 0%. So it is going to change to square shape. Next, we want that text color should also change. So here we have given text color to be blue. So we'll write in from color of text from blue, and we want to change it to yellow. Save. Text color has changed to yellow color. And even if you want to increase the font size, so here we have to mention first our font size. Size here I'm giving large. Font size from large to font size of medium. Save. It's not clearly visible, so here we can make changes. Here instead of large I'm giving 15 pixel. Here in paragraph tag, here we are changing to 15 pixel, and in two section we are changing it to 30 pixel. Save and go live. So animation is starting with a delay of 5 seconds. So this was our animation.